Hello, my friends. So I thought the next thing I should do was to sort of see what kind of layout I can get with the track set that I've got. Just using the Peco package that I just recently picked up and putting the train onto the tracks and putting some of my buildings just next to it so I get a sense of the sort of scale. So basically this is what I've got so far. Ignore the origami, it might get off from a stain. Or don't, look at it, it's lovely. This is one of them putting together. It wasn't too difficult. Some of the connections are a bit, it's a bit fiddly to do. They're all the same, I'm not saying some of them are different than others, just that you can easily sort of slide the two things past each other. They kind of, each track has like a male and a female end, and they kind of slot together like Lego. I'll pop this one apart so you can see. There goes my train. Turn that off for the moment, that's kind of stupid. Yeah, you see, so they've kind of got a sort of maybe a horseshoe shaped thing here and here, and they fit just snugly around the end of that. I don't know if you can see, it's showing up, it's a bit blurry. There we go. And you've got to slot them into each other, just the same. Okay, let's hope it focuses. Okay, I've finally got my train on the actual track. And you can see that those gears are like moving a little bit when I move it, but they sort of hit a stopping point. I'm hoping they are working, but it's just that it won't sort of go fully around unless it's got power propelling it. The other thing I've discovered is just how satisfying it is that when you push them, they should couple automatically. Yeah, check that out. They just slip up over each other and lock in. Oh, knocked it, so it gives me another chance to focus. There we go, to demonstrate. I'll do this one. This one's also not on there. Oh, there it is, and locked in. Yeah. The other thing I've discovered with laying it out is that this building here, which I assume is supposed to go at the end of the track because it's got a dead end on there and it looks like track is supposed to go into it. It appears these two sides of the floor here have been, when it's been glued together, have been glued a little bit too close, meaning that I don't think a train could, it will block the train from driving into it. So it feels like, unless I can figure out a way to unglue that and glue it back together, this is the building which is the most poorly glued. Yeah, and this one, obviously, this one appears much better. Obviously I don't have a double track to go through both of the doors, so I'm just trying on one of them. So, pulling this train this way, I think click that. Oh, dear me. It's very disorientating looking through the phone camera instead of looking through your eyes straight up. Okay, let's see if this works. Probably a bad idea to do it with the Warren thing, but let's see. Oh, yeah, no, it works. Okay, so the floor there is wide enough to let the track through. Now, let's see. I think I can demonstrate the other way isn't going to work. Let's see, which way is that track clicked? That's wrong. Let's try. Okay. Let's see if I push it. Will it go into that? No. So we just had a little derailment over here. Yeah, that building has not been put together properly. Those two floor panels. I mean, is that one complete piece? I'm not sure. Either way, it's it's not doing the trick. I'm gonna have to see if I can figure out why that is. So anyway, it's pretty satisfying to finally have something that looks like a train set, even if it's not actually moving like one. I suppose the next step is sort of maybe figuring out what electricity I need and how to do it, which is presumably it will explain it in that book I got with the track, which I as yet haven't read. But anyway, thanks for joining me on my incredibly rudimentary layout, which will, I hope, to expand into something really interesting in the future. Not on my table, obviously, but yeah, I'm pretty pleased that I've got this far so far. Goodbye.